Some people regularly get 1099s and some people do not. So you got to make sure you report all your income. With big data and AI now, it's so easy for them to come up with your income. And people say, well, I get all my cash under the table. And that's why the IRS has a lifestyle audit. Back in the 80s and 90s, they got a group of taxpayers that used to own hotels, but they notoriously reported no and little income. But they lived in the nice part of town. They drove expensive cars. And so what the IRS did is a lifestyle audit. And I tell my clients that say they don't have any income. I say, hold on for a second. How much is your house note? How much is your car note? How much is your utilities? How much is this and how much is that? By the time we get through, I said, I don't care what you tell me. You at least have to report this amount of money because you cannot live and not have any income. And then another thing is if you're constantly increasing your bank account, I mean, 1 year is 10,000, next year is 60,000, the next year is 100,000. And then I look at your tax return and you're constantly losing thousands and thousands of dollars, something that is not adding up. So what the IRS says is money laundering, because you cannot accumulate a lot of money in the bank and not have taxable income or any source of income that to substantiate how that money got in the bank.